Alright, William Jami here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to solve a very simple problem. It will be a fairly short video, so let's get to it. So previously, we made something like this. We have a lot of restriction of the margin as well as sprite size. So we use that to calculate how far our player can go. But this logic is heavily dependent on here. So on the viewport rag, all that. Viewport rag, get viewport rag. So that means as long as we got viewport rag and the viewport do not change, the restriction is working. But here is the interesting part. So if you run this and you change the window, okay, you change the window, the viewport changed as well. So right now, if you go here, like it's a clamp, so you got like a padding. But if you just move it, you can still move outside, and then you can't move. Okay? If you move it, then move here, you can go down as well. So how to make the user won't be able to change the window? The answer is astonishingly very simple. You just need to go to the project, go to project setting, and here you can go display and window, and Resizable is on. You just switch it off, and then close, run that again. This way you won't be able to change it. Okay, there's no way you're going to change the window size. Okay, and then all the restrictions still works. Up, down, left, and right, everything works. And remember, the code, when they actually stop the process and make it disappear, still heavily depend on the viewport. And by restricting the window, you essentially restrict the viewport, and everything that connected, every logic connected to the viewport, we're going to work. Okay, really simple one here. So hope this video helps, and you're watching a serious video of Godot development. So see you in the next video. Okay, thanks, bye.